After so many requests, after so many comments, after so many suggestions, this video is going to show you how you can trade the one candlestick strategy on the 1 minute chart. Meaning you are going to see how you can apply the one candlestick strategy to scalp the forex market every single day. Now, if that's something that you like, don't skip the video. Watch the video from the beginning to the end and don't skip it at all so that you don't miss any of the information I'm going to be sharing, guys. And guys, before we go any further, let me introduce to you guys the pro farm that I am using to trade my funded account until I get a payout. Funded Trader Market is a pro farm that I am using to trade my funded account until I get a payout. This is going to be season 2. As you guys have seen, I have already got a payout from Funded Trader Markets. Right now, they still have the discounts running, as you can see on top of the screen, which you can take advantage of to get yourself the funded challenges at a very, very reduced rate. Funded Trader Markets does not give you any excuses or delays. As you guys saw in the previous video that I showed you the payout proof, they process your payout within 24 hours or they will double your payout. Funded Trader Market offers you 3 account types for you to choose from. They offer the one-step evaluation, they offer 2-step evaluation, and instant funding. You can just choose your account type and account size accordingly by clicking the link in the description of this video and get yourself funded today. Please guys, take advantage of this while these offers still last, because you know trading with a very small personal account is detrimental to your growth if you really want to make it big in this space. Take advantage of Funded Trader Markets today and get yourself funded and take your trading onto the next level. All right guys, so with that out of the way, let's go onto the screen and I'll show you guys how you can trade the 1 minute chart using the one candlestick strategy. All right guys, so we're here on the gold chart and this is a 15 minutes chart, as you can see right here, because we are going to draw this box or the one candlestick strategy markings on the 15 minutes chart. Then we'll get entries on the 1 minute chart. This is just used when you want to scalp the market. You can scalp this all day using just one setup, or you can keep adjusting according to how the market works. So you guys already are familiar with the one candlestick strategy, that before you do any markings, make sure that the market is trending either bullish or bearish. In this case, we see that the market for gold here is trending bullish. As you can see, it is making higher highs and higher lows, and the price is above the 20 period moving average, which is this one here. Okay, it's above the 20 period moving average, which means this is generally an uptrend. So in that case, we mark only bullish candles. Many of you have failed to understand this, and you guys have asked me this question several times in the comment section, but I hope you guys will be able to hear this in this video and understand. When the market is bullish or it is moving in an uptrend, do not mark any red candle. Ignore the red candles and only mark the bullish candles. And if the market is in a downtrend, only mark the red candles. Ignore the green candles, okay? And also, do not mark the current printing candle. Mark the candle that is closed or the candle that has just closed. The reason why we don't mark the candle that is still printing is because the candle which is still printing has not yet developed its closing price, or it's a high and low. It only has the open price. It's the only price that is valid for the open candle. It only has the open price. The close time is only determined when the candle is closed. The low is determined when the candle is closed, and the high is determined when the candle is closed. So you can only mark the candle which is closed. Don't mark the candle which is moving, because for example, you can mark, if this candle is still moving and you mark its close up here and you mark its low, the price has not yet closed. So you will mark here and the candle will move up because it is still open. So the only logical thing is to mark the candle that is closed, the most recent closed candle. All right, so here I have confirmed that the trend is going up. This is a 15 minutes candle, so I want to scalp on the 1 minute chart using the one candlestick strategy. So I've drawn the markings. I've marked that candle's close and I've marked that candle's low, and I'll put a tradable zone in between those two lines. So I'll go now to the 1 minute chart. So here on the 1 minute chart, we can see that this is the same purple box that we drew on the 15 minutes chart, and the moving average, you can see is below the price. So we are still confirming that this is an uptrend. But we don't want to start chasing this trade because the market here is going up. So you don't want to just jump in here. You want to wait for the price to give you a discount into this tradable zone or near it so that you can get an entry to go long. Okay, so let's play and see if we get an entry to go long here. Okay, so we can see that the market comes down into the tradable zone, giving us a discount. So what we're waiting for is the market to close below this moving average right here. And then the next candle that closes above the moving average, that is the candle that is going to be our entry trigger. Now, you can use different types of entries. You can use Heiken-Ashi candles, you can use a Fibonacci, you can use order blocks, you can use whatever you want within this tradable zone to find your entries. Okay, you can use bullish engulfing candles, you can use anything. Be creative as a trader and find your entries in the most relevant way to you that you find easy for you to apply. So for me, I find it very easy for even a beginner to apply a moving average on the chart and just follow the price. When the price breaks below the moving average, you wait for the price to break above the moving average, then you take an entry, right? So let's wait for the price to break below. Okay, so price has broken below the moving average there. Now we get ready. The next candle that breaks above the moving average on this 1 minute chart is going to be our first entry. Okay, now this candle breaks and closes above the moving average. So I'll take my first entry, long trade here. I'll put my stop loss just below this tradable zone because that is the low that I see is relevant down here below this area. Okay, then I'll look for a 1-to-2. Just always try to get at least a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio in your trading. All right, so here we have a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how fast this trade goes into profit or how slow it will be, because each of these candles is 1 minute. So you're on your computer here and you're scalping, you're seated in front of the computer and you're waiting for this to happen. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the market goes up into profit. You're in profit here now. Let's see. Okay, you can see, guys, this trade takes not more than, let's see how long it took. 16 minutes was enough for us to reach take profit on this trade. Now, some of you have been asking me, what about if the price has gone way above the tradable box? Do I still enter a trade? Now, to enter trade up here is not good, because if you enter trade up here, price will normally pull back down and stop you out or give you a bad entry. Okay, for example, let me show you what I mean. If you wait for the price to come back there down like that, okay, like here it comes back into the tradable zone precisely. Okay, it comes back into the tradable zone precisely here. And also, if you watched my previous video, you would learn that it actually comes back to this fair value gap down here. Okay, there is a fair value gap down here. So you can see between this red candle's high and that bullish candle's low, there is a fair value gap. So price came back to that fair value gap here, tapped into that fair value gap, and then rejected. So you could enter trade there, but I wouldn't advise you to enter trade too much above the tradable zone like this. That would be way too high on the 1 minute chart. I'll demonstrate that to you guys and you see what I mean. Because if you enter from up there, it is very difficult for you to get into profit quickly, unless if you're going to just take whatever profit that you get. For example, if you enter at the close of this candle above the moving average here, and then you put your stop loss, for example, below this fair value gap here, and you're targeting a 1-to-2. If we play this, you're going to see what will happen. Okay, so you can see price goes into profit a little bit, unless if you're a person who takes your money quickly and leaves the market. But you can see what the price does. The price will gravitate towards the tradable zone again, putting you in at a very, very bad risk. And this trade here is most likely going to be stopped out. Okay, so you can see the market stops us out there. You can see it comes back and stops us out. Okay, but now here, since it has come back into the tradable zone here and it has spiked below the tradable zone, you can still find entries to go long if the market does not confirm a reversal to go down. What do I mean? You wait for the market to break above the tradable zone again, the way it has done here. This green candle broke above the tradable zone. Now wait for the market to come back down and break above this moving average. Then you will be able to get another entry. Okay, so let's play that and you see how you can use just one tradable zone to get multiple entries. Okay, so let's play that and we see market has come back into the tradable zone. That is good. Wait for it to break above the moving average. Okay, now it has broken above the moving average here. You can take another trade here, take another buy trade right here, and then your stop loss can be now below this liquidity sweep here, which is below this tradable zone, and then you can target now a 1 to 2. This one is most likely going to give you a profitable trade in the long run. If you play this, it's going to give you a profitable trade. Like if you play this, the price will go up into profit, and then you'll be able to take your profit as the trade goes up. Okay, so yeah, here we're in drawdown, bit of drawdown. You can see the multiple entries it gives you. Comes back into the tradable zone, breaks above the moving average, you take another entry like that. Remember, this will be scalping on the 1 minute chart, so you don't want to hold your trades for too long. Okay, whenever you see some profit, take your profit and then come back again like that. You can scalp this one zone multiple times. Like right now, you'll have got like 6-7 entries here. Now you can see this trade is now moving very well, and it's now going into profit. As you can see, guys, it's now going into profit, as you can see. Okay, you can see if you play along, you'll see that this trade is going to reach a take profit. This would run like for maybe 2 hours. This would turn into like a day trade. It would run for almost 2 hours, guys. So as you can see, guys, this trade goes into profit after holding for quite some time. But the essence is you are entering multiple trades and you're scalping just one zone here, because this zone would give you many entries. Give you this first entry, you'd get your profit here. If you took this second one, you'd get a stop loss. Then you'd take this one, that would be a profitable trade. You'd take another one here, that would also be a profitable trade. You'd take another one here, that would also be a profitable trade. So in this one setup, you'd have like around 5 to 6 trades that you can scalp or even day trade on the 1 minute chart. How beautiful is this, guys? You can use this strategy to scalp even on the 1 minute chart, as long as you've taken your drawings on the 15 minutes chart. Now, guys, I don't want to make the video way too long. I hope this brings you guys value. Hope this explains to you how you can scalp with the 15 minutes chart using the 1 candlestick strategy. Give a like on the video, guys, subscribe, and also comment down below, guys. Share this video with your friends and let us push forward. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace and out.